Dude, what is up, brothers? Welcome, welcome. This is a different one than what you've ever seen before. We are going to the track today, something that I've always talked about doing on this channel, and we're finally getting after it. We got all the homies over here. We got both the V8 high mile racer, got the girl, got the, you know, Daddy-O, the Fox we call him. This one, special shout out to Henry Lefevre. I know you're watching, Henry, so you might like this one. We're gonna go race this car on the track, do some road racing, not drag racing. So we just got loaded up. We're about to head up to Pocono Raceway. We'll show you everything we got going on here, and I hope you guys like it. It is official. We have arrived at said racetrack, Pocono Raceway. 2-hour drive up here. It's not too long. It's kind of a nice little journey. Got the squad. I know, right? Just got to unload the car here. We're here a little early, so we got to check in. We got a driver's meeting and all that stuff. So, you know, we might cover some of the setup. I'm just literally gas and go. I don't really have to do much to my car, so I'm going to get it unloaded here in a second. Oh shit, yeah, I need my wristband. Hype, get hype, get hype, get hype. All right, I'm tired.
How was your pee? Good, are you ready to pee on the racetrack?
Feeling fast.
Got a third pair of underwear for when you shit yourself out.
Oh! Whoa!
I'm all filled, baby. All right, brothers, we just had the first driver's meeting. It's time to load up. We're gonna do some pace lap, not allowed to pass on it, but I'll show you guys on the helmet cam and show you the track that we got going on. Got back off the track. Now that was a pace lap. You can hear the big boys getting out there because we're doing the novice, because this is the only second time I've been out on the track, so I still want to get some of the learned experience from some of the the driving instructors, which is nice. So get some of that. Just chilling in the car with my girl over here. What's up, baby? So we're I'm just looking at some of the data because I noticed that it was knocking a little bit, but as you guys know with the Subarus, a lot of times it's false knock. So I'm just going through it. Everything looks good. The car actually feels really nice. Once the tires started getting warmed up, we weren't going full force, but it felt like it was starting to handle really well. And obviously we'll put some of the clips in there. Wasn't going, I was able to get to like 110 on that back straight though. So once we start really hauling, I could probably do like 130 back there. So really get some speed going on here. But yeah, we're gonna have another driver's meeting, I think, and then we'll get back on track after all this and have the real session. All right, so we are getting on track now for our first session. They just called us over there, so I'll hit up the helmet cam and you guys are gonna get involved. Dude, just got out of the car from that session. That felt so good. Oh, I'm having so much fun. Absolutely. I'm enjoying every minute of it. Oh yeah, for sure. And the car feels good. It's way better than my black WRX. It handles so much better. And I'm feeling a little bit of rubbing when I'm going left. I'm about to jack up the car and see what it might be because I'm not sure exactly what's rubbing. It's hard to hear with the helmet on because you can't hear much. But the knock is very minimal. The thing feels strong. The brakes were fading a little bit at the end there. So I just got to be a little bit more aware of that because some turns I was coming in pretty hot. You might be able to see on the films. But yeah, so I'm probably going to jack it up here and see if I can see anything on the left side, see if anything obviously rubbing. Because I definitely don't want to break in something or hurting something while it's down. But yeah, other than that, let's tell you on the next one. when you use shit, you well, I didn't break it, but it's coming loose. I might have explained this in another video, but these collars on the coilover, this keeps coming loose over here because I keep hearing rubbing. I think it's my axle that's going bad over here, but I'm not really sure. It's only when I'm turning left. I think I mentioned it in the earlier clip. It sounds like it's the axle. We took the splash guard off, but it's not that. So that's beside the point. Otherwise, I gotta get this collar tight. So I'm gonna go around the rest of the car, make sure they're all tight, because that's the only thing about these Godspeeds is those collars keep coming loose, and I did that in my review video and told you guys about that. Not really track friendly, I guess, for this stuff. So guess what? We just found out that we can do a track tour lap. So as long as they sign a waiver and they get a little wristband, then they're allowed to go on the track with us and just take pace laps. Obviously, we're not gonna be doing any like racing, but still it's cool for people that wanna get the experience of being on the track and aren't gonna drive their cars or, you know, aren't allowed on the actual races. So it's a pretty cool way. So right now they're in the place getting their waivers signed, and in about 10 or 15 minutes here, we'll get on the track and do a little pace lap, some track tours. Dude, we got the whole crew in here now. Ready to get out on the track, get after it, and go fast. Not really.
Yeah, that's not gonna happen.
Oh.
It'll be interesting.
Oh.
No passing. What's that for bitches?
right, it's official. We are done for the day. We did all 3 sessions, didn't break anything, didn't blow anything up, no turbos this time like last time, which was awesome. So we felt really good at that last session. I was starting to really figure out the lines and get it to where the wheel, I didn't have to saw the wheel too much and everything.
Tell them about your coilovers.
My coilovers, oh, the collars, yeah, I did tell them about the coilovers, so you know about that. I don't know if they're loose now, but I'm not gonna look.
Show your tires.
We're definitely gonna have to do something about that. Oh yeah, and check out the tires,
Cool, that's pretty cool.
how they have
It's
this.
on all 4.
It's kind of hard to see. Yeah, you can see it here. How it like feathered on here. Oh, the Alfa Romeo. You can see, there you go. You can see it in here. How it was peeling up on the one side. It's kind of funny. But yeah, so if you guys like this kind of content, definitely comment below. Let us know how you feel about it. Like and subscribe to the channel. And we are out of here. We got to go home about 2 hours. And we will catch you on the next one.